Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. I'm here with Pam Jacobson, and we're here to show you how to make an amazing chocolate shake. This is one of the most frequent questions we get over at Level 10 Health is, how do I prepare the shake so that it's tasty, yummy, and filling, and not with 1,000,000 calories in it, okay? As you know, the Power formula has 0 sugar, 22 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and very few calories, which is only 140. So whatever else you doctor it up with, that's what it becomes.
And it also has a great superfood component.
Oh, let's do not forget the superfood component and the mushroom component that goes with it, which makes this product extremely unique. So first I want to thank Carol Casas from the Level Up program. Thank you, Carol. This is your recipe. Thank you for submitting it, and we're going to make it here right now. So we're going to add the almond milk to the blender.
1 teaspoon of almond butter.
Okay, I'm going to add the 1 scoop of the Power. There we go.
And a half avocado. Adding avocado, interestingly enough, to a shake, you don't really taste the avocado. It helps to make it creamy.
Extremely creamy.
And it gives you some great good fats.
And a great way to start the day with all the fat that you get from the avocado. Now, it's as simple as turning the blender on. Okay, ready?
All right, ready.
Here we go. That's all. I'm sure that's blended. Okay, Carol, I can't wait to taste this because I love everything you put in it. So let's take a taste. Cheers.
Cheers.
Well,
that's good.
No wonder you love this, Carol. Oh my God, it tastes like a shake, like a malt. I think the avocado has given it a malt flavor. This is excellent. There's nobody on this earth that isn't gonna like this. I swear to God, I'm gonna down the whole thing myself.
Very good. Thank you, Carol. We appreciate your input.
Thank you. This is amazing. Everybody try it. Bye-bye.